This smells absolutely wonderful. Crazy good. Been about 5 minutes, maybe one more minute. Smells nice and warm. 6 minutes total, and I'm ready to blend. Remember, save like a tablespoon for the fries. Parsley, shallot, shishito peppers, a tad bit of ginger, and garlic. People usually eat with the peppers anyways, the seeds. I usually like to remove the peppers, the seeds, but if you need to, just go ahead, slice them open and peel them out. For this purpose, I'm just going to blend everything together, but just wanted to show you what it looks like. So in the pan, I just did the seasonings. I didn't even wash it. Put this very last minute. So let this toast for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on medium to medium high. This is good.
First batch.
Oh, much better. Nah, it's gonna take with my hands. Ooh, there's a little bit of the sauce at the bottom. Oh wow. All right.
2-for-1 combo.
We're not trying the fries.
You can try whatever you want.
We're supposed to be trying the other thing.
This is what I thought it was gonna be like, but it tastes a lot better than I thought it was going to. That one tastes good too, but I like the way I made it better.
Fries, but they're lettuce wrapped.